Hello, and today is really hot. It's Friday today, and Sunday's my birthday, so we've got a big beach party going ahead. I shall be carrying my bag here with all the bits and bobs in. We're going to have a big barbecue on the beach, and I've got the sun all ready. As you can see, I'm mixed race, but I need, because I've got tattoos and stuff, I want to cover them up so that the ink doesn't get all drawn out. And I have caught the sun quite a bit with my legs there, and which I'm really pleased of. And there, so another year will be over for me. So I'll be another year older on Sunday. Please, please, please leave your comments in there to wish me happy birthday if you want to, and I'll be grateful if you do. And pass this video on to your friends. I hope I entertain you, because as Robbie Williams used to sing, let me entertain you. This is Malcolm. Bye for now.